Hey guys, Xfer Serum here, back with another video. So someone suggested to remake a Droeloe style lead, so that's what I'm gonna do today. If you got more suggestions, make sure to leave it down below. It will sound like this. So let's dive into the preset. Open up Serum, sounds like this. So select in the preset. For us to the A, we're gonna use the basic Moog because it's analog sound, or it sounds kinda like analog. Wavetable around here. Put up 6 unisons. And detune around here. Then we're gonna make envelope B. We're gonna use the saw, lower down the level. We're only gonna use it for FM modulation. So put up 1 octave and 7 semitones. This will give a more harmonic feel. So select F from B. Just around here. Put up 7 unisons. And lower down the detune a bit. Then we're gonna shape envelope 2. So put an attack to around 100. Lower the sustain and decay. Bit of release. And right to the detune of oscillator A. Because the sounds start off quite detuned and then it goes away. Select mono, and then we're going to enable the filter. We're going to use a reverb filter. This will give it quite some harmonics. Just like this. Put it on the drive. It sounds like this. It's a bit too much, so bring out the cutoff. Just on here it sounds fine. Put the release a bit. Liquid effects section. Select hypermation. Put a mix, lower down the size. Just like this. Some distortion. We're gonna use the tube. Just one here. Then some chorus. Some OTT. Just like this. A bit too much highs. So lower it down. Then some EQ. Cut off all the lows. I want envelope to the gain. Just like this. Then we're going to shape the sound a bit more with a filter. Select low 24. Want envelope 2 to it. Put it on the drive. With resonance. Just like this. And then some reverb and delay to finish it off. Give it a low cut, ping pong, and give reverb as well a low cut. And there you have it. Put the volume a bit, and that's your Droeloe style lead. So you can download it down below. If you like the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you in the next video.